Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's doing well. I got something that I want to show you guys today. I just didn't think I would buy this again. So there's a little story behind this. I ordered this last year, I think sometime in September. I ordered it in another color and then it came. I was like, no way I'm buying this with over 350 pounds. No way. So I sent it back, and then I saw the black one on sale. With Veruma was doing 25% off new items. So I went in there and I was like, okay, let me get it again. And then I got another one in black. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay. This is like, I don't even know, like I didn't think I was going to buy this. When it just came out, my friend and I were like really arguing over this, and she said it's a waste of money, and I said, yeah, I agree, it's a waste of money. But it's fashion, babe. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to rip out everything here. Okay, so it comes like that with all that. They're beginning to pack like Amazon. So many stuff inside. Okay, get ready, get ready. Guess what it is? So I got the JACQUEMUS bag. This is so tiny. Like, this is so tiny. This is so tiny. The one I bought the other time, was it not bigger than this?
Yeah.
It was, right?
Yeah.
It is really small. I thought it was...
It's smaller than your face.
Yeah. Oh, God. My daughter said it's smaller than my face. This smaller than I expected, actually. Guys, do you like this? I know a lot of you... I've seen a lot of unboxing videos on YouTube with this bag. But it's just so small. What am I going to fit in here?
Your credit card.
My credit card, maybe. And
some money.
Some money.
That can be like your wallet.
Some money. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's see what we fit in here. Okay, so guys, this is black, and it's like it came like this, and it came in Louis Vuitton tag like that, and it's really cute. It's very cute. And let me see what will fit in here. Let's see. Good. Okay guys, let's see what will fit in here. So usually I take this wallet everywhere inside my bags. I do have really big bags, but if I'm going to use this, I can't take this. So I'm just going to take out what I usually need when I go out. A credit card, in another credit card, in, that's two, my driving license, in, money. Let's see if some money will go in. I don't even have any. Well, I have some coins, will definitely go in.
Use like a receipt as like.
What else? Okay, a receipt. Yeah, a receipt will go in, but you have to maybe fold it to be a bit smaller. That's it in. What else? Okay, this I always take this out just to blot out my makeup if it becomes shiny. So this,
that won't fit.
No, it won't fit in.
You have to fold.
Wow, I can't believe this. So I have to take some out. Okay, I'll take everything out and I need to fold it. And then that's it. So let's see.
What about lip gloss? You know, you take lip gloss.
Yeah, that's true. Let's see if a lip gloss will fit in. Let's see if that will fit in.
No.
Nope. The MAC lipstick, and I'm going to see if it will fit in.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to put it on its side.
So you have to, yeah, but it's full now. Let's see. I have to sort of, yep.
Lip gloss.
So let's try to close it. That's it. That's all that can fit in this bag.
It's quite a lot for a small bag like that.
The leather is quite strong. I've seen some people here complain about the quality of the stitching. Mine is very well stitched. You can see it's very well stitched. I have no problem at all with the stitching. The JACQUEMUS logo here, it looks pretty straight to me, doesn't it? Because a lot of people complain that theirs is sort of bent. I don't know, but I think this looks pretty straight to me. Yeah, this does look pretty okay for the price, actually. I don't think, hold on, okay. So it came with this that you can carry it with if you want. Let's try and put it in. Let's see, can it? Okay, I'm trying to put in. Wow, it's very long. So you can carry it crossbody like that. Guys, that's it. What do you think? Let me know. Leave your thoughts in the comment. Would you splurge on this, or is it just a waste of time and money? Let me know. See you in my next video, guys. Take care and stay safe. Bye.